Ahom, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, to kindly felicitate Honorable Prime Minister. Honorable Prime Minister is being felicitated with a gamusa. Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to kindly come up to the stage. We are also honored to have with us Shri Lakshman Prasad Acharya, Honorable Governor of Ahom, and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Ahom. I'll now request all present to kindly rise for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Chief Guest Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, I would request Honorable Chief Minister of Ahom, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, to kindly felicitate Honorable Prime Minister. Honorable Prime Minister is being felicitated with a gamusa, a memento of one-horned rhino of Ahom made with semiconductor chips, and the painting of the Ma Kamakhya Devalaya, considered to be the oldest and the most sacred of the 51 Shakti Peeths. I now request Honorable Prime Minister to kindly take his seat. Honorable Prime Minister, sir, your august presence will definitely enhance investors' confidence of